Hi, it's Ted from Think Tank Photo. I'm back with another reason why Think Tank is the leader in rolling camera cases. Our handles are the strongest and most highly engineered in the industry. Think you can handle it? The handles on our rollers feature fluted aluminum tubing and are built to razor-thin tolerances to create much more strength and rigidity. Because the tolerances on our handles are so tight, we can add up to 5 stages, so they'll compress into a much smaller space, leaving much more room for your gear, especially those large hoods on super telephoto lenses. The other benefit to having 5 stages is that it creates a longer handle so the bag doesn't hit your heels when you're walking through the airport. Our ergonomic handles feature a 1-button release so they deploy quickly and easily. That means no more struggling to compress the handle while passengers wait for you to stow your bag in the overhead. Despite their rugged construction, if your handle happens to get damaged, we can fix it. Our handles are user replaceable and fully guaranteed, so if one does happen to get damaged, we'll replace it for free, which extends the life of your roller. Just call our world-class customer service team for a quick and easy repair. Our roller handles are not your cheap off-the-shelf components. We went the extra mile to design these handles to withstand the rigors of traveling photographers. As the choice of working professionals, Think Tank is proud to offer the highest quality rollers on the market, and we stand by our products.